Thank you for tuning into Jent Tech. Please like and subscribe. Today, we've got an exciting topic that's sure to elevate your gaming experience to the next level. We're diving deep into the world of gaming performance optimization. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, we've got tips and tricks that will supercharge your system and ensure you're getting the most out of your gaming rig. Right here, on this PC, right-click and select in Properties. This will take you to the Settings application. Now select Advanced System Settings, then select Performance Settings. Here you will see several options that you can change. These are processes that run in the background and utilize CPU resources and RAM resources. The options I have chosen are the best fit for me, allowing to still keep the options I want and to squeeze all of the performance I can. Now the next option you can change if need be is in the control panel. Find and open the power settings. In here you can change adapter settings in your PC. The final option that can help with gaming performance is changing the power mode saving for your graphics card. When Windows 11 was introduced, they brought in game mode in the settings. Make sure game mode is turned on, then go into graphics and related settings and find your game that you're interested in increasing the performance. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe and like button.